Oh, sorry, I couldn't hear anything. I was wondering why. Sorry, yeah. Was not using this. So if you all said anything, I was not hearing anything. Just let me see now. Where is it? Okay. And here we go. Okay. So we are going to start with this one, section 2. Okay, who's nice here? Shakir is here, right? Okay. Let's start with this one, please. 16 and 17. Okay, ready? Try the next one first, ready? The next one. Okay, try the next one. Just let me check. Parish, are you here? No, right? Parish not here. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, well, very fast, Mr. ID. So let me just give you your answers whether they are A-okay. First one is correct. Second one is also correct. What about the rest? ID is very fast. Very good, very good. Already you gotta wait for one. I cannot show the other page. Can or not? Ready? Can you maybe explain how you do number 16? Putra for the next second one, correct? Okay, yes.
So for the first one, this is like
Okay, so this okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah.
There are 5 parts, and then
because this is half, then you times 2, and then you get 10.
10. Okay, so
And this is half, so it's 5.
okay, so Raidi has changed this to make it 5, 5. So this it begins with 3, 5, 10, right? So Raidi says that down here you can make it over 10 because it's from 3.5 to 4.5 is 10 parts. Can you see? 5 plus another 5. So that means one unit is actually 10 parts. So the denominator down here should be 10. So he make it 10. So this is 3, 5, 10. So you'll be 3, 6, 10, 3, 7, 10, 3, 8, 10, 3, 9, 10, and 4. Correct. 4, 1, 10, 4, 2, 10, 4, 3, 10. Correct. And what is it down here? 4, 4, 10, 4, 5, 10. Is 4, 5, 10 correct? Yeah, 4, 5, 10 is the same as 4.5. So he is correct. So you got to be very clear in terms of your fraction, your fractions. Okay, the next one is rather easy lah. So, but only very few people are answering. Come on, come on, come on. Let me see. Well done, Karisa. Okay, very
Teacher already answer first.
Yeah, yeah, well done. Well done, Putra. You came in second. Okay. Your kakak came in.
I thought I first.
Raidi was first. It was very fast.
Then you mean Raidi first, then me,
yeah,
then Karisa.
Yeah, then Karisa, then no one else. No one else after. So only a few answered. So down here 6 point. Hey, what am I doing? Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, okay. I'm doing the reverse. Okay, see. This is called dreaming. It's drifting actually. Mine is drifting. I want to write down this minus this one to get 14.34. You'll get.
Where are you drifting to, teacher?
I'm not drifting away. I'm just thinking of many things. You see, as I'm teaching, it's not only the concept. I'm looking at you guys. I'm thinking, how do I make sure that you all are focused? Because that's the most important thing. All right, we try the next one. Drifting to not drifting elsewhere lah. Drifting in focus. That's right, 18 and 19. Alrighty, let me see. Congratulations, righty. First righty. Congratulations, Shafia. Congratulations, Putri.
Teacher, which one?
Karisa. Putri Karisa. Righty for the next one. Well done. Wow. Very fast. Means you're gonna focus after this on problem sums, which we'll try. Well done, Naomi. Well done, Shalina. Congratulations. Well done, Putra. Okay, so I think more or less everyone can do. What about Shakil? Well done, Putri Karisa also. Now this one, for those of you not sure, you can change this to 100 times 6. So you shift now. Shift 1 0, shift 2 zeros. You're going to multiply by 100. Shift 1, shift 2. So you get 47 times 6 now. And when you get 47 times 6, you get 282. Okay, so the first step is to times the 2 zeros, right? You shift 2 places, you get 47. Then you times the balance 6. Okay, well done. Okay, those of you who have got 52%, you can just times this by 4, you get 52 over 100. 52 over 100 is the same as 52%. Okay, or you can just remember the rule, any fractions or decimal, you can just times by 100, you will get the percent. Any fractions you times by 100, you get the percent. Okay, well done. Well done, eh? So those who find it difficult, that means, yeah, you must, in fact, I may know who you are. So we have to go at a slower pace. Okay, here we go. Can you try, yeah? Ethiopia. That's a place in Africa. I'll show you about Ethiopia in a moment.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is there one such thing as Ethiopia?
Yes, Ethiopia, yes. Later I will show you. Ethiopia used to be a center of civilization. Yeah, one of the Muslim centers also. One of the great centers of mankind civilization.
Sure.
Yeah.
For additional step of 100 gallon, is it like 100 and above, or like the
It is,
100 is like plus?
Plus.
Oh,
Because now you want to send 1 kg, let's say, for example, the first 100 they charge you $3, and then your balance is 900.
This one you can stack. This one you can stack.
Stack, yeah, you can say you can stack.
Okay, thank you.
This one is standard.
Okay.
Okay, I will run through this again. This at P6, even some of my students still do not know at P6. Even one-to-one students, they are still confused. But this is a system that is used in the post office. You need to know this. Okay, you need to know this. Can. Okay, Riley says that. Let us see. That's your final answer, Riley?
No, I have 2 answers.
2 answers?
I'm confused.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, so maybe I just explain this, okay? Can I?
So am I correct or not? So am I correct?
No, you're not correct. Imagine now you want to send this water bottle, okay, with the water. It's 350 grams. So how do we calculate? The first 100 grams, or let's say now you want to send this stapler, let's say is 80 grams, 80 grams. You have to pay $3. You want to sell, let's say a pen, let's say 30 grams. You still got to pay $3. You want to sell a handphone, more than 100 grams, then you got to pay more. So any weight up to 100 grams, you have to pay $3. After that, they count plus 90 cents, plus 90 cents, plus 90
Okay,
cents.
I know how to do. I know how to do.
Okay,
Thank
but
you, thank you.
I just help for the rest now down here. This is 0 to 100, $3. Okay, and then you go by 101 to 200. What must you do? You must add. That means it's $3 plus 90 cents. Becomes 3 plus 90 cents. Why? Because as you say, stacking lah. So it becomes 390. You want the next, the thing, 201 to 300, you must add another 90 cents. So now 390, you must plus another 90 cents. So you get it or not? You can count to 350 is how much? 350. 301 to 400. This is where 350 lies in. This category. You must add another 90 cents. How much is it? Congratulations, Miss Putri Karisa. What about Putri Shalina? What about Nayumi? What about Raidi? What about Sheikh Akil? Sheikh, this one is Singapore Post Office, similar like this, you know. Putera. What about you, Putera? Try your best, okay? This is a life skill. You have to learn this. Even Grab might have this type of formula also. So what is the formula? We're going to go into that deeper. Well done, Raidi.
That was my second guess.
Second guess, okay.
That was my second answer.
No problem.
Sure.
Okay, we just wait for a while. Just one moment, for the rest to follow. Because I'm afraid maybe you and Carissa can understand and the rest don't understand. Will be a problem then. So
No.
down here. No, everyone understand. Okay. So I'm going to write it like that so that you all can see it very, very clearly. How is the system working like? Okay, watch. Please be clear on this. So down here, so there's $3. Down here, there's also $3. Okay, then when from here to here, you must plus 90 cents. Okay, I put 90 cents there. So down here, from here to here, there's already 90 cents here. You must plus another 90 cents. You're clear on that? Okay, you're clear now. But I do not know whether you'll get it or not. I'm just worried that you don't get it. Okay, then next one, you must plus 90 cents down here again. So the final one, you must plus 90, 90, 90. You see there's 390 down here. There's 290, there's 190, no 90. So you must plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. Okay. So how much you get? You get $5.70. Some of you are very confused now. So I thought 90, 90, 90, 270 plus 3, 270. This is in cents. Okay, it's 90 cents like that in dollars. Okay, I just show you two things, okay, now, so that you all know, okay? You need to know this because maths is about life, you know. Okay, if you do not know this, then how? Okay, so we go to SingPost now. SingPost, let's see. SingPost. SingPost is the Singapore Post Office. Okay, now let's see. Postage rates. Can you see now? Postage rate. So let's see what's the postage rate. Let's see. Down here, can you see? Your first 5 kg. Let's say you want to send to Indonesia, Hong Kong, Brunei. First 5 kg. That means 500 grams, 1 kg, 1.5, 1 kg, 700, up to 5 kg. You pay $18. Every additional kg, $2 more. Can you see that same thing? So let's say now down here, I have now a package now. a package down here. We just look at this one, okay? Down here, this other countries got different rates now. So let's say you have a 4 kg package. You want to send to Brunei. Brunei is here. How? Let's say we take surface. You got to pay $18. But I'm only paying, I'm not 5 kg, 4 kg. This is up to 5 kg. You must pay this. Then if it was 6 kg, you must 5 kg plus 1 kg. So 1 kg you must pay $2. So $20. You get it? This one is air, rate is faster. This one surface, I think is maybe by sea lah. So different rate now, different rate. Okay, but I hope you see this is being used. Okay, now second one I'm going to show you now. Second one I'm going to show you. Okay, what is it? Ethiopia. You all know, huh? Ethiopia. It's a country, yeah. It's a country. Where is it? It is in one part of Africa. Africa, the shape is like that now. You know what's at the bottom here? It's called South Africa. I think this one is Madagascar. I'm not scared. Down here is Saudi Arabia. Can you see quite close?
Teacher,
Yeah. Yeah.
how about North Pole?
North Korea, North Pole. North Pole until here lah. South Pole is here. South Pole at the bottom. Pole means on top here.
Yeah.
North Pole, South Pole. But you look, where is Singapore? Where's Singapore? Singapore is India down here. China, Singapore will be somewhere here. Okay, why am I showing you this? Ethiopia used to be center of civilization, you know. One of the civilizations. Let us see whether they have it here. Okay, they don't have it lah. Okay, it was also quite Islamic country lah. Very very important as one of the countries in Africa. But never mind, okay, we don't have time for this. If you want next time, we can go through this. Now, let us now try, not this one, please. Question 22. If you don't understand this, please take a piece of paper and fold and see whether you understand or not. You say, I got no piece of paper. Okay, I'll get for you. So if you don't have, you just take any paper, fold it up. Can you see? Can you see the same shape now? Can you see? Then you try to open up, see, oh, it's like this, like that. You try to see. You must be able to see, yeah? You take a piece of paper, you say, I got no paper. Okay, you can take anything lah. Money is okay, not money. Say money. Yes, you can also use money. Okay, to do this. Fold it up. Just fold small.
Done, sure.
Done already.
Yes.
And then you can fold up like that and see. Then you look at the shape. This is the shape. Okay. Let us see now. I have not even read the question. And already is done. Wow. Let's see.
I don't have to do area of triangles.
Don't know how to do area of triangles.
Yes.
Okay, we go through shortly. Hold on.
I can on that top picture. Very badly done.
Okay, this is not no. You got to draw. You try to draw this model, and then you get a rectangle. What you can find out.
Do we have to divide it by half?
No need.
That's for area now.
But they say before it was folded, you know. That means they want you to find.
Okay, now.
They want you to find it like that. Before it was, now it's folded, right? They say before it was folded, what was the area? Larissa, congratulations, she got it right. Okay. Okay, before it was folded, come on, you all can draw. Okay, I draw for you a rectangle. Okay, you see whether you get it. Okay, righty, let's see whether you can, right? Down here, this line down here. Okay. So when you open up, What do you get? That's why I asked you to fold this one and see. Fold this one and see. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to show you again. Like that. So now this one down here, I open up this one, it will go down here. You have to try it out, you know. It will go down here. So the balance 4 is here.
I got the answer. Oh my god.
Okay, you got it ready.
Yes.
Okay, but the answer is still not correct.
What?
Okay.
Okay, wait, sure.
Wait. I will now extend this one down here. Watch, Okay,
Mine not correct.
let's see whether you can see this. Okay, so this earlier one I removed. Can you see this? Down here. When I fold it down, this one is 4. This is this part here lah, fold. This one is 2 cm. So from here to here is also 2 cm. So from here to here is also 2 cm. So when you unfold, how long is this? We can count lah. Can you see now? 6 plus 2 plus 4. How much? 12 cm. This one is how much? Then they tell you is 2 cm. You want to find the area of the whole rectangle. 12 times 2, length times breadth. It's length times breadth, what? That's all. The whole thing is 12 times 2. A little bit tricky, yeah? But you must imagine now, you bring this one to this side here. Are you okay? You all know what I'm talking about. 12 times 2, 24. The answer is 24 square cm. Righty can get no? Yes. Okay, you put 0. Oh, that means can. We try the next one. This one now. ABD. Why did this answer so fast? You given an answer here.
So, haven't.
That's the earlier one.
Yes.
Sorry. Putra, congratulations. You got the first step correct. Putra, first step correct. You got one more step. You have found DBE. You have found this angle down here. They're not asking
How to
you.
find understand?
You must read this thing carefully. They tell you this thing over here. Kakak knows now. Once you see this, Kakak knows. Kakak, what is this angle, Kakak?
60.
There, Kakak know. How come Kakak know 60? Kakak, how? Adik, yeah. So 16. So this one is also 60, Putra. The whole thing is 60. Why? It's equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all 3 angles are the same and they are equal to 60.
So it means my answer minus 60.
Yes. No. 60 minus your answer.
Yeah, I know.
No, because you tell me my answer minus 60. Come on, Righty. Come on, Righty. Shalina, where are you? Naomi, where are you? Shakil, where are you? I'm here. Oh, very big lah. Hello, Mr. Raidi. This one is 60. Now, how come can be more than 60?
Teacher, my one.
Okay, Kashril, well done. Putra, you got it correct. Carissa, you got it correct. Well done. So, okay, now we go step by step. You must be able to see, Okay, I'm going to make it very, very big. But first of all, remember, they say ABC is an equilateral triangle. We are going to remove this one first.
Yeah, am I correct now? Am
Okay,
I correct?
Well done. You're correct. Okay, now I'm going to make it very well done. So I'm making it very big now, very big. Okay, those of you who say I cannot see. They tell you that this triangle is equilateral. What is equilateral? All 3 sides are the same. Can you see this side is the same, this side is same, this side is same. And all 3 angles will be 60. Say, why will it be 60? Angles in a triangle add up to 180. You want to find out what is one angle for equilateral, divide by 3. get 60 degrees. So this is 60. This one is also 60. This one is also 60, the whole thing. Now Putra says he found this angle, Putra says. And Putra says the angle is 44. And that's correct. How you get 44? 180 minus 90. Minus 46 to 44. Correct. Now one more step, one more step, one more step. You're supposed to take 60
60 minus
minus
44.
44. And you get 16. Very soon, some of you will be 16. At that age, the girls can what?
Talk.
No, the girls can. Shalina, well done. You don't know, ah?
Can see.
No, okay, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you. Can I show you? I'll show you. You all must know now.
How about boy?
Boy, I think 18. Can you see what I'm typing there? Okay. Let me see. Information on minor marriages. Okay. Down here. This is the registrar of minor marriages. Wait. Okay, 18 to 20. Oh, this is now 18 years old. No more 16. I thought 16 years old, they can get, okay, hold on. Can girls get married at 16 years old? You must know all this. Legal minimum age is, okay, 18 for boys and girls. A person between 16 and 18 can apply to a judge to marry. Okay, but it requires your parent consent. So let's say now one of you, normally it's girl 16, but boy also can get married. You want to get married? See, you want to get married, and then what happened? You need your parents. Your parents say, okay, you can get married. I'm not telling you to get married now. I'm just telling you these are some things you need to know. Okay. Some countries, I have my someone, my relative, my mom was just telling me, got
Teacher, how
married.
about you?
Me, I got married at 16. No lah, no, I got married at 24, quite young. 24. Okay, we cannot do this one. This one, can we do or not? Are you all? Okay, never mind. We don't do this because if we go with this one, Miss You. Okay, at 6:15, I'll continue your story if you want me to continue the story about the cat.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You found out something. You last week said that the skin is that one, right? Like very soft and wrinkly, right?
What skit?
The skin, the cat story, that one.
It's very soft and clear. What do you mean?
You say it's very wrinkly because they go inside the pool for very long.
Oh, okay.
Then like they, and then you say whether they will cut their or not.
Okay, we come to that because we stop with Kasim being stuck, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let us see now. What about the rest now? Let us see question 27. Congratulations to Miss Clarissa. Okay, those of you who are confused, we got to go through slowly.
Sure. No, teacher.
Sorry?
Nothing.
Okay, Riley, you're correct, but that is the interest. So, what happened to the 30,000? Did it disappear?
No. Yes. Yes. It
Disappear?
Did. It did. Yes.
It cannot be disappear. Like imagine you put 30,000, then you get interest and say, "Where's my original money?" Disappear. Yes. Now it's correct.
Sure.
Now it's correct.
No, sure.
If it's disappeared, no one's gonna say.
To be gone. The 30,000 is supposed to take away and then put it inside the bank. That's where your money go.
Okay, so some of you can't remember about percentage, so I want to highlight.
Can I do the whole thing, please?
No. Because some of them are still doing. So you and those who have completed can do question 28, inshallah.
Never mind. I give up. Bye.
No, I cannot see lah. Cannot see the thing. Okay, never mind. 27.
Okay,
Let me see.
later can I do 27? That one.
Yeah, later, inshallah. Okay, come. What about the rest? We give some time to them because they need to go through the process. Otherwise, they just listening will never help you in maths. I mean, it will help a little bit lah, but you need to do it. I have one of the parents that tell me, yeah, my daughter will read the textbook. For maths, you cannot read the textbook, you got to practice. And some people say, but my teacher explained the correct method. That's the teacher explaining. Can you do it without making mistake? That's what it is. Let us see. Someone has given, well done, Putra, you have found out what the interest is. But what happened to the 30,000? You must add now. You can do it, yes. You must add your money to the 30,000.
You forgot the hopefully. You forgot the one below.
Hopefully.
It means when I get the answer plus 30,000.
Yes, because you put 20,000 inside the bank, what happened to the 12,000? The person say, the person say, okay, you earn $500. Wow, you're so happy. But your 30,000 disappear. You'll be very sad. Yes. Okay, now let me just explain a little bit about interest. Some of you do not understand what interest. When you put the money in the bank will pay you some profit. You see, why bank pay me? Then why should you put your money in the bank? You might as well keep it at home in the safe under the pillow. Okay, so in order to make sure that banks are competitive, you don't go to you go to DBS, you don't go to OCBC. OCBC might try to make the interest rate a little bit higher, but they say if you save with us, we'll make sure that we give you a little bit of money extra. So that is called interest. So how to find interest? Okay, Raidi, can you explain how to find the interest? Putra, well done.
I can hello.
Yeah. Tell us. I'll write for you. Okay, 2%. Okay. Divided by 100. Okay. So we put
wait, that's not the end.
2/100 and then times by, okay, that he's typing the 30,000. So this is how to find the interest for 2%. So what's your answer?
106.
600, huh? 600. Okay, good. So 600 is the money the bank pays you when you keep this money in the bank for how long? For 1 year. You keep 1 year. Is this true? Yes, this is true. But normally it's not this high. Sometimes can be this high, sometimes not. So if you keep 1 million, how? Imagine we keep my 1 million. Can we just try now? 2/100 times 1 million. How much do you get?
I know.
Okay, what's the answer? Can you tell me what's the answer?
Wait, let me calculate. Give me 10 seconds. 2,000. So
No, not 2,000.
20,000 I meant.
20,000. So some people say, hey, my salary is only 1,500. I think I better put the money in the bank, 1 million. I don't need to work. And yes, some people actually do that. They do not put 1 million. They might put $10 million. When they put $10 million, how much they get a year? They will get 200, maybe they get 200,000, 100,000. They say, I don't need to work. That is interest. You understand what interest is? So now once you get this ID, what do you do now? What do you do other than celebrating?
30,000.
You must pass 30,000.
Can I have your bank details?
Okay, good. Down here, you plus
DBS speaking. We have been trying to contact you for over 1 million times.
Okay,
we would
that's a
like your
scam.
bank address, please. And then you know what I said? You know what I said?
What?
Hey, listen here, bro. Why you gonna scam people, bro?
Yeah.
Do it.
The scammer. Okay, so down here is 30,600. You add, Okay, I hope you get it because they're asking you what amount of money is in the bank. So the original 30,000 is there plus the 600 you earn. So you get 30,600. Okay, I hope you get it. But what Riley mentioned about that call, some of you may have received. We are calling from DBS, blah, blah, blah. And there is actually a scam. What they want you to do? They want you to do this. Okay, I just show you. They want you to give, let's say now, this card. Let's say this card with the details of front and back, so that with that they can buy things, they can withdraw your money, they can use it to make purchases online, and then suddenly your money in the bank just disappear. Does this happen for real? Yes, happen for real. So don't give your numbers. Don't give numbers. If let's say the bank call, you just go to the bank. You go to the bank. Yes.
No, it's not like that. They won't find you. You don't know your number. They will just randomly press random number and they'll try again.
But but I don't think it's very difficult because there's a few stuff. Okay, never mind. We try question number 8 first. A machine prints 28. This is rate, huh? Rate. Machine print 28 pieces of paper in 1 minute. How many can 4 machines print in 5 minutes? No using calculator, please. Mental calculation.
So I'm doing mentally. Give me 10 seconds.
Okay. Answer? Come on, come on. Okay, someone has sent answer. Raidi said, congratulations, Mr. Raidi. What about the rest? Okay, we need to give some time, huh? We let them think. Yeah.
So you don't even have to find out what is the total. You can just find out.
Okay, wait. Don't tell. Don't tell it. We wait for the rest.
I will tell later.
Shalina can do. Shalina. Husna Shafia can do. Can try. Okay. We need to give enough time to them. So meanwhile, Raidi, if you are finished, you can do. I cannot do the next one because we cannot see the bottom part. So Raidi, while we are waiting for them, I'll give you a mental timetable for you to do. 34 times 11 mentally.
Am I correct?
Correct.
374.
Sorry, Putra. Sorry, Carissa. Yeah.
Wait. This cat on me. Wait.
A very cute cat, eh?
It's my cat. Get him. Cute.
In the basket, eh? Yeah,
The answer is 374, Cho.
Huh?
The answer is 374.
374. Okay, congratulations. We give you one more and we'll wait for the rest. Hold on. Yes, okay. Now, what is this? A 9 timetable, Mr. Raidi? 56.
Am I correct?
Am I correct?
I'm so sorry, both of you are still wrong.
56 what?
56 times 9.
Okay,
Shalina, what about you, Shalina? Okay, Raidi, you type the answer.
544.
Am I correct?
Well done. On your third attempt, well done. You got
Who's
it correct.
correct?
Right, Carissa.
How about me?
I'm so sorry. On your third attempt, you got it wrong.
Wait, yeah, you asked me to type.
Okay, I'm now gonna explain. Raidi, okay, congratulations, well done. Okay, now how to do this one? Okay, Naomi, Shalina, and Shakil and Shafia. You have one machine. First, you start with one machine. 1 meg lah. Okay, 1 meg, 1 minute. You can do like that. How many? 28 pieces. 28 pieces, huh? Now, how many minutes you're going to do? Oh, one machine. Don't do one shot, no. 5 minutes, do now 5 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes.
Yes, you find 5 units.
5
and
units.
Then once you find 5 units, it will be 140.
Okay, hold on, 140. Yeah. So you times 5. What do you get? You get 140. Okay, correct.
And then once you look at the chart there, you can see that 140 is there. Then you know you have to make it 4 machines.
Yes,
So
now must make it 4 machines. So how to make it
times
4
4.
machines?
Times
Times 4. Those of you who don't get it down here, you times by 5. That's now, right? So you must
Then
also
times by
times by 5 down here. So once you already got this, now you want 4 machines. 4 machines, you must times by 4. So 4 meg, you have to, and this is still 5 minutes, right? You times 140 by 4. And you get 560.
Does it even matter of finding how much 4 machine is? Because if you look at the chart there, you know you need 4 machines.
Yeah.
And then you can see that one machine 5 minutes is already 140.
Okay, so you can guess that way, also estimate, no problem. So I hope you all get it now. This is sometimes important. I'm going to give you no, I better not give you that.
Times table.
Sorry, you want to sleep? Okay.
Times table.
Times table, no. Times table, you got no time or timetable, not now. Not now. Because you know This one now. Can you see now? Alicia had 3/4 meters of cloth. She used 1/3 of it, not 1/3 meter, to make a dress. 1/3 of it, not meter. How much cloth does she have left? And go.
So this one is very easy to.
Yeah, don't say the answer. Don't say the answer. Oh, Raidi, very fast, Raidi.
Have you read the question yet, Joe?
Congratulations, Kashril. Congratulations, Raidi.
Yes.
Well done, well done, well done. Very fast, very fast. You are making your sister sweat.
So who's first?
Raidi, like, you came in just 1 second before you want to beat him. Don't beat him. Just take his can. Carissa, you did not read the question carefully.
My
They
cat
ask
give me
you
cat.
how much cloth is left. Come on, Carissa. Naomi can do not, Naomi. Okay, try. Okay, so long as you're engaged, you're okay. Inshallah, you'll be able to absorb a lot of stuff. What about Miss Shalina? Shalina, can not Shalina? Can Shalina? Shafia, can or not? Can lah, we can. All of us can. Yeah, but tell me what's your answer lah. You say can. Shakil, what are you doing? Ramas your hair. If you are near down here, I will ask you to ramas my hair because I like it. I asked my wife to ramas until my hair become botak lah. Very. Oh, sorry. What happened? So sorry. Okay, Carissa, I'm so sorry. Please don't be confused. Okay. I'm going to explain in about 1 minute's time. Please try again. Now we're going to challenge while we wait for the rest. You can do it. We will ask Kashril to challenge with Mr. Raidi. Are you ready, Kashril and Raidi?
No.
No. Kashril ready? Not Kashril. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you challenge Mr. Raidi, yeah?
For
11. Timetable lah, timetable.
Okay, 11
times 51 and go. No calculator.
Is it 561?
561.
Okay, 561 is correct.
Yeah.
Okay, next time you have to type it in. What about the rest now? Okay, we will go through this question now first. Okay, down here now. So let us see now.
Who got the point, Joe?
Hold on. This Alicia got 3/4 meters. When you have meters down here, if I change this into cm, it's 75 cm. You know. You see how I get that? Okay.
Sure.
You can take. Hold on. You can take 3. Yeah. Times 100.
Why is 5 wrong?
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to show you now. Okay, down here. Times 100, right? You get 75. Okay. You get 75, no? If you don't believe, we can try get 75 cm. Now they say she used 1/3 of this. So 1/3 of this is what? 1/3 of what? Of it. What is it? Say it is that monster lah. That's the movie. Down here, this is not a movie. This is talking about the cloth here. Of means times. It means 3/4. So when you cancel, you get 1/4. 1/4 is what she used to make the dress. At first, she got 3/4. She used 1/4. So now what are you left with? You're left with half. 2/4. 2/4 is equals to half. Or maybe I marked Kashril wrongly. Did I mark Kashril wrongly? No. Okay, now I show you another way. Okay?
I think you didn't mark us wrong, Joe.
I marked you wrong. Oh my goodness.
You did.
Oh, all of you all are wrong.
Teacher, you trick me.
Sorry. I thought I saw half. My mind was drifting again. Can you imagine? I thought I saw half. I saw the word half, but it's actually not half, it's 2/1. So a teacher can make that mistake. I'm so sorry. And I thought we all okay. So the answer is,
I got it correct, Joe.
no. All got it wrong.
I got it correct. This I got it correct.
You got it correct?
Yeah, I got it correct.
Yeah.
Okay, the correct answer is 3, yeah? The correct answer is 3. But how to understand this one? Okay, I'm going to
I
show you.
actually changed the answer.
I'm going to show you now down here.
I actually
Let's say
changed the answer.
this is 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter cloth. She used 1/3. She used 1 quarter. So she's left with 2 quarter. How? Can understand this one or not? This is another way of explaining. I'm going to explain different ways to you. Can or not? Carissa, you're scratching your forehead.
Oh, why?
She says, no, she get it, but it's just itchy. Now down here again, I just give an example again. This 1 square is 1 quarter. 2 squares, 2 quarter meters. 3 squares, 3 quarters. So there's 3 quarters here. She used 1 quarter. So she's left with 2 quarter. 2 quarter is 2/4. You bring to lowest is half. This is method number 1. Method number 2. Method number 2. Hold on. Method number 2. She used 1/3 of what? Of 3 quarter. She used this. This one I show you just now. So off means what? Off means times. Off means times. So you just put a times here. Cancel 3, cancel 3, you get 1 quarter. So she used for 1 quarter. What is left? 3 quarter minus 1 quarter, get 2 quarter. Again, we get back to this one. I hope you get it. I hope you get it. Must see, this one got no meters. This one got meters. Okay. Those of you who did this, you are wrong. You know why not? You are right if let's say they give you meters. There's no meters there. Because got meters, this is unit. It's like this, it's like this. Okay, you all don't get it. Maybe if you don't get it, I'll show you again. Let's say now I got $10. Okay, or $10. I use half of it. So some of you go and minus half. So you say my balance is $9.50. No, not correct. If this is only correct if let's say half comes with the dollar. If there's no dollar means it's half of $10.
That means
So
it's $5.
you must minus $5. You get it?
I'm very smart, sir. I'm very smart.
You understand? Half a dollar and half of $10 is different. Okay. So I'm gonna test you now. We're gonna test. Shafia. Shafia, I got now $1,000. Okay. Do you want half of $1,000 or half a dollar? Shafia, where are you? Which one? Where is she? I got to check. Shafia. Who's not Shafia not there lah? Oh,
half $1,000.
Half $1,000. Yes. Half $1,000 is $500, you know. So this is the difference. You must understand. If let's say they say
So how about half?
Half of what? $1, 50 cents. $1, you have it is 50 sen lah. 50 sen is like this.
No. Half is half a dollar is
50 cents. So if
How
you take
about
half is half of 1,000. So half times 1,000. So how much you get? You get $500. Okay. So now you got to see when they give now, do they give a unit or not? If they don't give a unit, means it's half or 1/3 or whatever they give down here. If 1 million means 1/3 or 1 million. If 3 quarter, 1/3 or 3 quarter. Yes. Go. No, I mean, please go. Yeah.
So you mean you say this this half, right? The half, right? 1, 2 is half of the 1,000.
Yes. No. Depending on the sentence. If they say half of the, okay, let's say now given yes.
Then this one is
50
equal
cents.
to 50 cents.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give you one last example. Okay. Now, this is Kashrila. Okay, this is Kashril. Now, for example, he now.
So I don't even do like that.
Imagine. Okay, this is, let's say not you, like someone else, Edmund lah. This is Edmund. So they are asking now. They're gonna pay, hold on. They're gonna pay $1 million for half of the person or half a kg. They ask you to choose. Which one will you choose? Let's say you are willing to sell part of your body. Are you going to give half of your body or half kg? Which one? Kashrin?
Half of my body.
Half body mati lah. You cut a half, you take away mati. At least this one you cut your hand lah. Setengah kilo lah, half kg. At least you can still live. You can take the $1 million. So you must remember, if there is a unit means you can weigh, you can tell exactly. If there's no unit like this, it depends on the total amount. Okay, be careful. Okay, it's ready. Maybe we continue. Okay, you ready?
What job?
This one. Hair dryer. After this, maybe you want to go for the story after this or how? Or at the end of it better. Or no need story pun okay.
I know.
You know.
First, we settle this. Right.
Don't say how the answer. You tell us what's the answer, dude.
Oh,
Don't tell.
After we settle this thing, we finish.
Then
you tell us
the story.
Then
Okay.
you pass one more. No, you give us one more question.
Okay.
Then a bit of speed test.
And then
Any question you want, and then the story.
okay. All right. We follow your advice. Are you ready?
Listen to me.
Hey, come. No.
Do
Listen
this
to
question.
Come. Do this question first. Do this question.
I already done, sir. Done.
You are done. Gone. Okay, let's see. So cheap. That's why you're not careful, Mr. Raidi. You're not careful. You're also not careful, Mr. Kashril. You follow Mr. Raidi one lah. Okay, very good, Raidi. Very good. Carissa, very good.
Sir, don't do what he say. Okay. Do one more question. Then watch my cat poop.
Poop
For some reason.
No. Okay lah, later we will order the poop from your cat. Then all of us can have it for breakfast, right? Put poop on the bread, butter and jam, very nice. Okay. Come on. Husna, where are you, Husna, Shafia? You disappear, come on. Come on, Kashril, have you got that? Yes, well done, Kashril. You got it. SM Akil, where are you? Okay, now. You can do, yeah, you got it. Okay, you can do it a fast way. Okay, Shalina, you know what's a fast way? The discount is 20%. How many percent must you pay? The discount is 20%. You're supposed to pay 80%. So you can do straight 80 over 100. Husna Shafia, that one now is the discount. You must minus that amount. You don't need to pay. Then you times by 400 straight. You can do it like that. How much do you get? 8 times 4, 32 plus the 0, 320 straight. This one is discount. Discount means what? Don't need to pay amount. So don't of you say, some of you said you only need to pay $80. Wow, they tell you this is the discount. You say now the discount is 80%. Cannot be. All right, we move to the next one. So I hope you all get it. There's two ways of doing. One, go for 80% straight because 20% discount. Another one is to do what most students like to do. They find out what is 20%. And then after that, they time, they get $80. And once they get $80, 400 minus $80 get 320. Yes, you can do.
That's what I do.
That way too. That's what you did, yes, on the second attempt. Together like Raidi. Okay. What is a dishwasher?
The orang Inggris.
Orang Inggris. Alamak. Hakam orang Inggris ni. Dishwasher is normally okay in the I can see we see what's a dishwasher because we don't really use this in Singapore. Let us see now. Dishwasher. So this is a dishwasher. So down here, can you look at down here? It's a it's underneath. It's a washing machine. And washing machine is a dishwasher. Yeah, you put all your dirty plates here, you push it in, and then they will have a bath. You can put your cat here as a mati lah. After that, hot water, they spray soap and whatnot, and pull it out. It's clean. So your sink, below your sink is a dishwasher. You see down here says 1,000
Let's
plus.
buy.
Yeah, you can buy, but normally we wash our own stuff, right? So you have portable dishwasher. So
Wow, people,
that means now
people
you
will be
put,
really.
yeah, you put all the dirty pots and pans, plates and all inside, and then they'll use hot water, blah blah. It's $700. In Singapore, we wash our
So
own.
cheap.
Yeah, for you it's cheap. For me it's expensive. Okay, so
Very
dishwasher again. Now I showed you already, right? It looks like an oven, but it's not. It will normally they use it in restaurants, so it's quite big.
How
Can you see?
do you know is it a
Dishwasher.
dishwasher or oven?
Oven, they don't have all this to put the plates and all.
Are you
So
sure?
yeah, oven.
They put the plate with the food.
Okay, oven now. Oven is like that. This is a small oven. You want a big oven. Big oven is like this. Okay, you open up, it's like trays only. So, but if let's say you think it's not true, what you'll be doing, you'll be baking the plates and bowls. They will just be dirty. It'll still be dirty. Okay, we move on. Are we ready now? Dishwasher X and dishwasher Y.
I was doing this question just now.
Okay, so sorry. Could wash a total of 90 cement plates in 5 minutes. Every minute, dishwasher X wash 2 more plates than Y. How long will it take dishwasher Y to wash 160 plates by itself? Wow, quite a tricky one. Okay, this will be good for PSLE also. Yes. This one will be a very interesting question for PSLE.
Sir, I got scammed. Wait, sir, I got scammed.
Got scammed or what?
Yeah, I literally got scammed by this question.
So fast, are you and Kashrul so fast? Righty, so now Righty, you change your answer to make it like Kashrul. So Kashrul got the answer first. But I'm just wondering how you get so fast. I've not even thought through the question. Somehow, some people are genius.
We can do mental stuff. We do it.
I got do magic.
Oh,
Same. I also do magic without calculator.
Sure.
Magic, yes.
Last time.
Yes, Husna, go to the toilet. Yes.
Putri more faster, and I more faster.
But Putri is doing real thinking. You notice in the beginning, her hair of the lesson, her hair is straight. But the end of every lesson is slightly curly. So she does a lot of thinking. Okay, now let us see now. Question 13. What about the rest? Come on. What about the rest? Come on. Question 13. According to the answer key, Raidi, Putra, and Putri are wrong according to the answer key. So you must do that method I showed you. Remember that's how I showed you now? All guessing already lah. All guessing already. All guessing. You didn't think at all.
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, ready, ready. I'm gonna test you now.
Am I correct?
Okay, just a moment. Ready, look at the
Am I
camera.
correct?
Wait. We're gonna test Ready first. Ready, if you did not think, when I snap my fingers, you won't be able to control yourself and you will smile and laugh. See, smiling and laughing. You didn't even think. Ayo.
I'm not laughing. My mic is unmuted.
One more time. Ready?
Yes.
Let's say you did not think and you just guess your answer. When I snap my fingers, you will uncontrollably laugh. You can't control yourself. Otherwise, the laugh will come from the bottom of you. See, smiling.
Just let me snap.
Okay lah. Okay. Later we test you.
My answer correct.
All your answers are wrong.
You can't make me laugh with the snap. You can't make me laugh, but you can make me smile.
Okay, make smile. Okay, now we do one at a time. Okay, dishwasher X and Y can do 90 in 5 minutes. Okay, dishwasher X wash 2 more than Y, 2 more plates than Y every minute. So in 5 minutes, dishwasher X would wash how many more plates? This is 1 minute. 5 minutes you times by 5. So this 90 here, we have to first of all minus the 10. And who takes the 10? X takes the 10. Because X can wash 2 more every minute. So 5 minutes is 2 times 5 is 10 minutes, 10 plates. So your balance is 80. Now this 80, You divide again by 2, you get 40 goes to Y, 40 goes to X. So every 5 minutes, dishwasher Y can wash 40. Okay, 5 minutes. So down here. Why 5 minutes? Because that's what they tell you, 5 minutes here. So now we are looking at dishwasher Y. 5 minutes, 40 plates. 160 plates. How do you get there? You times by 4. Times by 4. And then you 20 minutes. So then Riley will say, I told you it's 20, but I think you were guessing. Because I have to do the working, and it just shows that you're just smarter than me. That means I must take tuition from you.
Sure, just take 1 plus 1 je. 1 plus 1 equals, wait. What? 9 plus
9? Cannot hear, you are muted.
9 plus 10 is 21.
9 plus 10 is 21. Okay. So I do not know whether you get it. So some of you may not get it. So do we want to go through this again, or you all get it? Carissa, you get it? Okay, but the rest, I think the rest pretend to get it. Yeah. Okay, we move on to the next one. Down here.
To the speed question.
Speed question. Speed. Average.
Oh, blank whiteboard.
Blank whiteboard. Oh, speed question. You mean why want to do that question for? Okay, hold on. Let me see. I'm choosing for you something like this one. This one, because angles seem to be the P5 somehow they don't get used to equilateral. Okay, please try question number 18. Don't like actually, after the rest all will be able to, they will not be able to focus. Shalina can do. Shalina, are you okay, Shalina? Can you send your answers, Miss Shalina? Okay, not Shalina? Oh, very fast, this boy, Putra. And now Riley's answer is totally different. Putra, as you can see over here, the angle X is more than 180 degrees. Can you see? So your angle is smaller.
Wait, am I correct?
Am I correct?
Okay, wait. I'm not. Okay, let me see. Okay, both of you, one of you is correct, and the correct person is a girl. The one who's the boy who's not correct. So far, only a girl is correct. Carissa is correct. Riley, please try again. Putra, please try again. Riley, please try again. I hope you're not guessing, Riley. Guessing.
Yeah, I'm not guessing. I'm doing the.
Okay, Kashri, congratulations. Did Kakak tell you?
Tak.
If I snap my fingers and you smile and laugh, that means Kakak tell you. You're smiling already. Now, okay, now the way to test Mr. Kashrel, what is the angle down here? Can you tell me? Putri, you don't tell her?
60.
How you know it's 60? There's no angle here. How do you know? Explain to me. Kakak is laughing because Kakak just whispered 60. But how do you know? How do you know?
Cause this part.
Because I underline for you this one.
Sure, I already got the answer.
Because it's equal.
Equilateral. Okay. Equilateral triangle means all three angles are the same. So 180 divided by 3, you get 60.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, your last.
Yes.
Yes. This is also correct, right? 60.
Yes, 60, correct. Well done. So now, okay, now, Mr. Putra, how do you get your answer now from here? If this is 60, this is 67, how to do that?
This one you take, right?
Take
180.
180.
67.
Minus
Okay, wait. 360.
Why 360? I thought 180. Why 360? Can you explain? Please explain why 360. Because
right.
this is at the point lah. Down here, the whole thing is at the
They say
point.
ABC is a straight line.
Allahu Akbar. Hey, joker lah this guy. Okay, straight line means you 180 degrees. But this one now, one round around here is 360. So it's 360 minus 67 minus 60, you get 233 degrees. Okay, well done. Okay, so remember. Okay, let's see. We're gonna know.
Right. 360.
Yeah, now we're gonna test you. Okay, good. We're gonna test you now. Kakak, don't tell Kakak. We're gonna test your brother so that he learns. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, ready ya, bang? Bang, ready now?
No.
Not you, not you, no. We're gonna test. We're gonna test Putra. Okay, Putra. Putra, this one, is okay. Sorry, is 60 degrees. This one, don't tell no, Kakak. Kakak, don't tell. Don't say your brother. He must learn. This is 60 degrees, Putra. I want you to find the angle in green in 10 seconds. Counter begins. 9, 8, 7, 6. One. Pakai calculator dia. Okay, what's the answer?
Huh?
What's the answer? What's the green angle?
I give an answer.
So what is it?
240.
240. Okay. Alrighty, what's the answer for the green one?
300.
Sure, I wasn't even looking. Wait, let me calculate for a second. 300.
300. Congratulations. Okay, 300. Now, how do you get 300?
300. So it's 300. 360 minus 60.
Yes, minus 60. So, Putra, you took 300. Don't take 300. 360. Why 360? Now, this one, if you draw a line here,
One is a full circle.
Full circle.
If you look at the compass,
yeah, it's 360 also. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay, good. Okay, here we go. We go back to now this one. Okay, rate again. Ray, you say you want speed, right? That's now you want speed, right, Putra?
No lah, different question lah.
Yeah, this is speed question lah.
This
How
one.
far? Don't want timetable lah. This is not going to come out for your exam. Come, we try.
It's a bit challenging.
Okay, come. Well done, Shakil, just now. Okay.
done.
Very fast, this boy. Congratulations, Mr. Raidi.
So easy too.
Wow. Okay, we must give the rest the thing now. Some of them might find it challenging. They say so easy. How did they feel?
Give you guys tip.
No, don't tell. Yes.
Okay. Later
But
I give
you're
you guys tip.
fast. Yes. Okay.
Later
Later he give your tips.
Am I correct?
Congratulations, Miss Carissa.
Yeah.
We are
Very
waiting for.
easy.
Easy, right? Wow, very easy as well. Okay, we are waiting. Putra, Shakil, Shalina. I've not heard answer for you, Shalina. Send your answer, Shalina. Are you doing this work, Shalina? Where are you? Come,
Yes.
try this question.
Yes.
Yeah, this. How do you find the answer for this one?
Sure.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, what's the answer for this one? Try 300 meters in 1 minute. 1,200 meters. How many minutes? Anyone except for those who have answered already. Those who have not answered, they're asking how many minutes? 1,200. Okay, Raidi, what is your fast way, Raidi?
Either my
I know.
the tree, what is it called? The tree multiple inside your head. So you like what is it called? Mental stuff, or you just use your fingers.
Okay, right. Okay.
Answer correct.
Putra, yeah, your answer is correct. How do you get the answer? How?
Because you take 1200 divided by 300, you get 4.
Okay. Well done, Shalina. Oh, Kakak told you. Okay, no problem. So long as Kakak tell you your learning is okay. Now you times by 4 down here. Well done, Shalina. You also times by 4.
And the answer is 4.
4 minutes, yes. Congratulations. So you must know this method. This method, up to secondary school you'll be using. Up to secondary school.
Sure, I'll be right back. Give me 10
Okay.
seconds.
All right, average now, average now. Please try. Come on, average. Come on, Mr. Putra. Try your best. Don't ask kakak lah, cubalah. Kamu bisa, kamu boleh. Wajaya lu.
Percaya sama.
Lu caya apa? This is. Berak caya. Berak caya. No. Wow, Carissa. Let us see whether you're correct. Congratulations, Miss Carissa, the fastest student. Righty, coming in close second. It seems that Carissa has taken over him.
Sure, she had
What?
a head start. I went to check my phone.
Oh, you say you okay? Oh, okay. Well done. Well done. Okay. What about the rest? What about the rest? Remember, Mr.
Be
Tan.
right back, sure.
Mr. Tan, total equals to, I think I know. Okay. Total equals to average times number. Average number. So how to do? What you want to find? Remember this. Remember this. Tan. T. A. N. What you want to find? You want to find average, you know. Total divided by number. Average equals to total divided by number. So what's the total, Putra? Kakak really told me. Total is how much? Total seashells are 480
480
divided by how many?
divided by
16.
16.
16, is it? No.
No. You take 5 plus 6, 4 plus 16.
20. So down here, cancel the 0, cancel 0. 48 divided by 2.
48 divided by 48 divided by 2 is 24.
Well done. You can just do like this. 8 divided by 2, 4, 4 divided by 2, 2.
And that's your answer.
And that's your answer, yes. Now, I heard that some people say the answer is a swan. Do you agree?
I don't get it.
Yeah, you don't get it
No.
now. It's
So what's
actually
1 plus 1?
answer. Answer, I heard, is swan, is it? Since the answer is, oh, okay. All right, get it. All right.
Sure. What's 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 is 2. And then,
What's the other one for 1 plus 1?
what do you mean? Okay, we try this now. Speed, I think. Shalina, well done, Shalina.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So, just now you say, ready say, what choice 1 plus 1 say, answer.
Answer, yes. 1 plus 1 is answer.
Teacher,
Oh, sure.
Yes.
Sure, it's actually a window.
teacher,
Yeah. Alrighty, you finish it.
teacher, is this plus?
Yeah, that is plus and this is divide.
Okay.
Carissa, congratulations. Righty has taken over Carissa. She's not so happy now. Oh, you're happy. Soon your cat might disappear. Well done, Mr. Putra. What about Shalina and the rest? The rest all video dah off ni apa ni?
I don't know, sure.
Come on, Miss Husna. Come on, Husna. Come on, this one's quite easy, Husna. Come on, Shalina, come on. You can do this, Shalina. The power is in you. Husna, don't off the video lah. The force. Okay, the force is in you. See what force? Well done, Husna. And Shalina, congratulations. So now down here, you must always remember. Oi, alamak, what happened? You must always do the division first. 19 divided by 9, you get 10. 9 plus 10, 19. Now, 19 is an important number. It is mentioned in the Quran. You don't know that. And the verse, what does the verse say? So this is quite an interesting verse. No? And I did ask some ustads, they're not so sure. I have my own view about it. This is down here. This is in the Quran. Can you see? So some people believe that the verse is referring to the hell. See, overeat are 19.
So guess when's my birthday? I guess
think
when's my
birthdays-
date? Guess when is my date of my birthday?
Your date.
Yes.
You're too young to have one, you know.
No, like the 1 to 30.
What? Oh,
1 to 31.
1 to 31. I think you're 19.
Wrong.
Then
It's kind of close. It's kind of close. It's very
17.
close. Correct.
17. Okay, come, let's try 22. So there's a verse in the Quran talking about overeat and 19. So some people think that it's referring to the angels that's above when we are walk. You know, we all have to walk over hell, right? You all know the Sirat. So I do not know whether this is, you know, they were going through on a journey in the next life. The next life, the journey is tough, you know, might be tougher. I think might be tougher than even the current journey.
Done.
Okay, Putra. Let us see.
I don't know how to do these type of questions.
Okay, Putra, I don't think your answer is correct. Never mind, we wait for Kakak to save us. Please save us, Kakak. You can do it. And the rest also try, come on. Try. You can even draw, you know. I will help you by drawing while Kakak solve this, okay?
Am I correct?
Congratulations, Kakak. Okay, now Kakak will explain in a moment. Let me draw this one first. Okay, well done. So now, okay. So Kakak, there's 5 parts. So can you explain one quarter is what? Maybe no, not correct. 1/5, sorry. 1/5, what happened to it? He spent, right? So how to do save half of the remainder? Can you explain, Kakak? Save half of the remainder. Cannot hear you, Kakak.
You just take 1 minus 1 out of 5 equals to 4 out of 5.
This is 4 out of 5, yeah? Okay,
1
and
out
then,
of 2 times 4, 5 is
Okay.
2, 5.
okay, so she's doing by formula method. Okay, I'm going to show you now. She spent this amount, no more, this one no more. Now left 4 parts. You want half of it, cut half into 2. So now half the remainder is the one he saved. So what is this? It's 2 out of 5. Can you see now? But what is Putri says? Putri says first you take 1 whole minus 1 out of 5. Why 1 whole? This represents the whole money. 5 out of 5 minus 1 out of 5, you get 4 out of 5. This is now what is left, the remainder. So now he saved half of the remainder. Half of is what? Is times. Remainder is 4, 5. So when you do this, you divide by 2. You divide by 2, you get 2 over 5 is the answer. Okay, so this is correct. This is the amount he saved, all right, in comparison to the whole money. Down here, can you see now? It's the same thing. At first, he got 5 squares units. He spent 1 of the square. He's left with 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5. Now he saved half of it. He saved 2 because there's only 4 squares now. So how much half of 4? 2 squares. So how much did he save? 2/5. 1, 2 out of 5. Same thing also. Okay, I hope you get it. It's the same thing. So long as you understand, you can show either one of the working. Is okay. All right, let's try the next one now. Enough. Okay, what you want to do now?
The
Sorry.
no.
Story.
Yes.
No, not story.
No.
Someone say no, someone say yes. I do not know.
So
Okay.
we now the plan is to share the story.
Okay, story. Okay.
No, first we'll see if anybody has their own story.
Ayo, then how long is it going to be? Then we do the story at the end. Once we finish.
Kasim.
Kasim.
It's already 6:50.
6:52. Okay. So okay. Anyway, you remember what happened to Kasim, right?
Yes.
What was the last part? He was captured, right?
Yeah, he was captured and then he was sent to where the people are making skins for the body that was.
Yeah, so skin. So what I did not tell you actually is when he followed the cat into the jungle towards the village, he brought with him a whole handful of red string. Every part that he traveled, he would tie a red knot around the tree trunk or the branch.
It's just like Hansel and Gretel.
Yes, but he's smarter than Hansel and Gretel. Because Hansel and Gretel left breadcrumbs. Bread, right? Yeah, they peel the
Oh,
bread.
rock.
Rock. Rock. My worry is the crow or birds will eat the bread. But anyway, he started to tie. And tie. Actually, he had a plan with the Ustad. Remember, he approached the Ustad? So the plan is, if
Okay, dah pilih.
in 48 hours, in 2 full days, if Kasim does not return back to the kampung, they will search for him. So back in the kampung, after 2 days, Kasim has still
Teacher,
not...
what you say? You say after 2 days,
After 2 days, okay, the plan, Ustad told him, you tie, everywhere where you go, you tie with a red string, so that if you do not return in 2 full days, 1 day is 24 hours, 2 full days is 48 hours. If you don't return in 48 hours, we will search for you.
teacher, but why not yellow?
Oh, I do not know lah. Red, yellow. Maybe yellow is red is more clear, easy to see.
No,
So-
but red there's a this one.
Okay, I do not know. That's what Kasim has. Maybe it's easier to get red cloth than yellow cloth. I do not know. But anyway, what happened before my Mac goes to sleep? Hold on. So what happened was the Ustad gathered all the men together in the village and say, let us go and find this guy. So they followed the string, follow, and then he led them to like a river. So when he went a river, they saw someone lying down, like at the bank, river bank, bare-bodied. This man was bare-bodied. So the Ustad hurriedly went there, and as they reached the man, they could see like a tribe on the opposite side of the river. So the other man went to chase the people in the other side of the bank. You understand what I'm saying? See, I just draw down here. So now this is the river lah. Okay, river is here. Okay. So finally they found a body down here. Then the tribe people, most probably from that tribe, were opposite here. So the other man went to cross over to try to catch this man, while Ustad attended to this man. And this man was still alive. And the man told Ustad, says, this is all a lie. This is all a lie. What you see is not real. What you see is not real. Says, what do you mean? What do you mean? He says, and this man was pointing to the Ustad's people from the villagers. He says, beware, they will die. They are being tricked. At this point, the Ustad started shouting for the man. But the man had already gone across, chasing them in the jungle. Ustad waited for a long while, and he suddenly became afraid. This guy died. This guy, he was in the verge of dying. He finally died. Ustad straightway went back to the company.
So how about Kasim?
That's right. Now this one. So I'm going to tell you now what happened to Kasim. So this Ustad is a very religious man. He had still, remember he saw all those red things they followed, right? He reached, so he took that red string, he took the red string, and then what did he do? He go and do some prayers, and then he got a dream that night, and then he saw exactly what really happened. That string, remember when Kasim was captured inside, he was drugged. What did the chief do? The chief knew from the cat. Remember there was a cat, right? The cat informed the chief, I do not know how they communicate, about the red string. So the chief told his men, go and collect the red string and tie it in another way leading to the river, so that the villagers cannot find our village. You get it, or not? So the Ustad realized that he had been tricked. In fact, all the men he brought, they are not there, they're not anywhere. They didn't return back to the village, you know. Were they dead or not? So the Ustad was very, very worried. This time he started going around to the Ustads in the chiefs in other villages. And he explained to them what was happening. But he was doing his prayers and then he realized that look, he has to go up and find Qasim. And what he did was, he found actually on the way down, when he was coming back from the river, at one point in time he saw the ribbon being tied to a particular tree that is the original ribbon string tied by Qasim. So he tried to follow that track. He followed the track and he actually reached the same village. Reached the same, but they didn't know he was coming. They didn't know he was coming. He entered into the chief's hut. Before anyone can do anything, he took a knife and put it at the chief's neck. And the chief started screaming, you know. And the men all came in. And the men came in, they were strange men. Remember I told you, they got deep eyes. They were wearing actually a mask and all that. So they came in, rushing in. And he told the chief, if you do not return Qasim to me, I am going to kill you. And you're going to make sure that no one follows me and we have safe passage back. So finally what happened was Qasim came, but he was like half drunk, you know. So what the Ustad did was, the Ustad took Qasim and took the chief and he started walking back to his kampong lah. And he told them, you do not follow. Of course, some of them still followed. He reached one point, he was shocked because the Ustad actually had a younger brother who died or disappeared a long time ago. Didn't know whether died or disappeared. And suddenly, when he was walking down back to the kampong, he saw his brother. The brother was just standing in front of him, you know. At this point in time, he let go of the chief. The chief started running back. Now he and Qasim now are together now. And he felt that this man was not his brother. He felt like he was not. Remember, he still have the knife, right? But he pretended to hug the brother. And he go and step the person who looked like the brother. You know what he described? As he was stabbing, and the person was bleeding. Blood did not come out from the body, you know. He took a knife, he cut the skin. That man was using his brother's skin. You know the brother's skin? The brother was actually trapped by this village also a long time ago. And so he opened up. He found that these people, remember I told you they thought, I was saying they were dark, you know. They wear chelak, you know chelak, no? Like a mascara thing, black in color. Actually, they were also fair. So maybe they were doing this for some other reason. What he did was, he brought back this man and Qasim back to his village. And then we continue next weekend. Are you okay? How's the, sorry, still okay? Scary? No, not scary, right? Scary, yeah?
Confused.
Confusing. Next week will be the last episode. So you will know what
Episode.
yeah, pilot. This is the pilot. If it's good, then we might be shown on TV. Okay then.
Which village?
This village is the middle of the jungle in Borneo.
No. I said the Qasim and the guy, the Ustad.
Kampung Hijau. Kampung Hijau. Which is right beside. Which is beside Kampung Tujuh.
Does it even exist?
It's just a story.
Oh,
Okay. All right, then we catch up again next week. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye. Take care.